An orchestration is a powerful automation tool to simplify business processes, and with our improved capabilities, invoking an orchestration has now become easier. With the latest capabilities available with JD Edwards Enterprise One, end users can now select the orchestrations they want to run, associate them with the Composed Enterprise One page, and run the orchestrations right from within the Composed Enterprise One page, thereby saving time and money. Rosie is a business analyst, and one of the challenges she faces in carrying out her day to day activities is that she has to navigate through multiple applications, which involves multiple clicks, even to complete a simple task such as releasing back orders. What Rosie needs is a simplified experience to complete her tasks so that she can focus on increasing customer satisfaction and sales. Let's see how we can help solve Rosie's problem. Rosie can choose an orchestration that will automate her tasks and associate that orchestration with the Composed Enterprise One page. She can then run the orchestration from the Composed Enterprise One page with just a click. If the orchestration runs into any error, she can view the orchestration response messages on the Enterprise One user interface. With this new capability, you can now automate your complex business processes. It simplifies user experience and improves end user productivity. It also saves time and cost, thereby increasing efficiency. For more information about how to invoke orchestrations and notifications from a Composed Enterprise One page and configure them, see Composed Enterprise One pages in JD Edwards Enterprise One tools using and approving user-defined objects. To learn more, visit us at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.